Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do another Twisted Disney makeup look since you guys loved the last one so much of me turning into Bo Peep and her creepy little mishap, accident that happened to her. You should go check that out. Link will be down below if you haven't. But today we are going to turn into Yzma from Emperor's New Groove. If you haven't seen Emperor's New Groove, I would highly suggest it because it teaches the most valuable lessons in all of the movies. Yzma is a highly underrated villain, so today I thought I would do a twist. First we're going to turn into her, of course, and then I'm going to have, what if she was the one that accidentally drank the llama potion and not Kuzco? So we're just going to do that, and of course I'm not naked today. I know it looks like suspicious whenever I do body paintings. I am wearing a strapless top, but we're gonna do a lot of body paintings, so let's see how that turns out. And I'm so nervous only because Yzma has like a very gaunt face. She has a lot of sharp cheekbones and chins, and I have a moon emoji face. So to successfully turn to Yzma before we do our creepy twist, I'm going to flatten down my eyebrows with some glue stick and powder. I would definitely flatten down the brows, because who really has Yzma's villainous brows? But if you're doing this, it all depends how many layers of glue and powder you do, is how thick your eyebrow hairs. For mine, I have pretty thick eyebrow hairs, but there isn't many of them, so I do about 4 layers of glue and powder. It seals the deal, flattens them down, so we can paint on top of them. Alright, so to turn into Yzma, we are going to need her perfect color of foundation. Like a gray skin tone. And I just mixed some dark gray and white cream paints that I'm going to spread across my face. And I like using creams especially for the face because I feel like they blend a little better. And especially if we're doing a brow cover, they will cover them brows, girl. I don't have to color my ears because I'm going to put her headband. She has like a purple headband in the movie. She also has so many outfit changes. She's like a fashionista icon. Just pounce that in my eye, great. I don't have gray eyeballs. Now she has a very skinny neck, so I'm just gonna do makeup down the center and then I'll black out the sides hopefully. She's very thin and I'm not, so we'll see if this works. We cannot forget the chest. I'm serious, if you haven't seen this movie, it has so many great actors who voice the characters, and not only that, the message that it shows people is so meaningful, especially in today's society where people are super selfish and we are the generation of I want it now, fast and quick. I want to see results by the end of the day. Cause I want it all and I want it now. I'm going to put some translucent setting powder on my eyes in areas that I feel like are going to crease really bad with all this cream. Alright, this is going to be a little difficult, but I'm going to put some white liner around the rim of my eyes. Just using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. It's like, who doesn't have this? I feel like this is the first makeup product to ever appear on YouTube. And I'm just making the eyes look bigger before I line them with black liner. And then once you see like maybe there's spots where your fingers hit that took away some makeup, you just want to keep your foundation color with the sponge off to the side. And I look crazy, but that's okay, we're gonna look even crazier. Now I'm just getting a black liquid liner to line the eyes because I feel like it would stay better than if we used a pencil liner. We don't want creasing. This is so hard to do. Was Yzma a witch or a chemist? Alright, we need some purple eyeshadow. I'm going to dip into this color. I don't have that many deep purple eyeshadows as I thought I did. And dab it on the eye. Oh yeah, that's the color I'm looking for. I feel like Disney villains is my calling. I don't know why. But if I was any fictional character, it'd probably be the Good Witch from Wizard of Oz. Ooh, mixed with Ursula. Is that a possibility? Ursula's like my favorite Disney villain. Yzma isn't bad. Getting some dark gray eyeshadow from this Creepy Q palette from Strobe Cosmetics. One of my all-time favorite eyeshadow brands just because aesthetic, and they're pretty good. Just doing a little shadow here. And we need some cheekbones, like major ones. So just patting this into our cheekbones to do like a contour fish look. I'm just getting some of this gray shadow and doing like, you know, wrinkles, fine lines. I'm not trying to diss Yzma, but she was known to have wrinkles. They even showcased them in the movie. I'm just using some shadow to do them. I feel like an alien right now. I don't even know what's going on. I need eyebrows. So I'm just gonna get some black aqua paint. Those brows. What I love about Disney villains and Disney characters in general, especially Disney villains, you can put it up to your own interpretation and style with makeup. Just doing this little curly Q she has. It's so 1920s. Yzma definitely has a 1920s vibe. She reminds me of like someone who is abandoned at the altar and she learned witchcraft or all those chemistry with her chemicals to get back at whoever left her, but then it just turned into her trying to gain power and work for the emperor and all this stuff, giving her even more backstory. This definitely reminds me of the mountain hill from Nightmare Before Christmas. I need some gray contour. Oop. Almost lost a brush. Right here, like a sharp contour. Now for some lipstick. This is the NYX Electro Brights in Rio de Janeiro. The problem with a lot of these Disney villains, most of them have thin lips. And I ain't got no thin lips. Now I'm gonna get some dark purple to do like a pretty ombre effect, because I feel like this is a little too bubblegum pink for Yzma. Oh my gosh, I need to get some of this and do some necklines. Pull the lever! I love when I almost did her as a cat, but I feel like it'd be even funnier if she was growing like a donkey. Not a donkey, I always want to say donkey. A llama ear and like fur. Alright, I'm just getting some black aqua paint. Try not to make this aqua paint too thin because you don't want it running down all over the work you just did on her chest. Alright, now we need to contour and shape her cheekbones because I feel like she needs a little, you know, contourness done here. Kybella done on Miss Yzma, even though she don't need it, to be honest. But you know, she's still gonna not listen and get it. She gonna pull that lever on the Kybella treatments. If you don't know what Kybella is, I'm way too California, that's why I know it. It's a shot they inject in your chin to make it suck in and all the fat to go away. And you look like a bullfrog for a few days till it goes down. Grow. Pull the lever! Alright, now these purples. We need more purple. We gotta get this purple aqua paint and then do the slinkiness of her outfit like this. She wears some slinky clothes. To be honest with you, she do. So we gonna get some matte black eyeshadow and go tap, 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 tappity, tap, 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 tap. We're gonna do her little armpits. She's got some saggy little armpits. Alright, the head thing. I got a headdress that didn't come in the mail because of the holidays. Everything was backed up, so I'm like, I'm just gonna take my purple shirt and make it cute. And then I'm gonna put this here, make it look real cute. Hot glue to get hot. Yay, it's here, it's hot. Oh yeah. Don't glue it in my hair, just on the headband. Now I've got to get some black eyeshadow and really like contour. And we're gonna just make that black parts, like the shadowness of the rest that we blacked out. We're gonna make that, you know, more matte and look more like it's exiting to the backdrop. This is so hard to do and switch hands. I'm covered in purples and pinks. Why am I singing everything? Maybe I think I'm in a Disney movie. Okay, now for the eyelashes. I'm gonna get some construction paper that's black, and I'm gonna start cutting up these lashes. They're gonna be loud and proud and out there. She has about 8 of them. Holy moly. And the ends bend up. And I'm just gonna somehow paint these on my eyes. Not paint them, glue them. So let me get some wash glue and see if this works, or if I'm just living hopeful dreams that won't exist. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. 1,000. I don't think I'm gonna fit 8. Yzma, hold on. I got you, girl. I could glue you to my skin here. Oh, shoot. This is the hardest part of the makeup, guys. Yes. We're getting places. So what you have to do is you have to put lash glue on these construction paper pieces all the way to where it touches your brow bone, that your natural brow bone was up here. If you're chopping some of the lash, yeah, you might want to. My eyes are starting to water though, because there's so much lash glue on my face. Not allergic to liquid latex, but I've noticed that the lash liquid latex that close to my eyes really makes them water. I'm gonna use so much lash glue in this tutorial, I swear. Duo, sponsor your girl. Chop these lashes up. They're a little too long there. Oh, she got a little lash on her shoulder. Chip on her shoulder. Just bending these a little. Now, I'm just darkening in some of the crease. Croak to the lever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup of Yzma. Stick around for the second part where we do a twist where she accidentally takes the llama potion instead of Kuzco. This movie, honestly, again, if you haven't seen this movie, you definitely should. I hope you guys had fun watching this. Stay tuned for more. Alright kids, now to do the potion, I'm going to paint my hand to show potion. Because I made a potion bottle for you all, because I'm that mom who packs her kids' lunches and makes their sandwiches into stars. That's gonna be me. But this is why I want to, you know, paint my hands, the whole dish. The llama potion. Out now at QVC. We gonna need his ear, just one ear, popping out from his head or her head. Shouldn't have painted my hand gray now, cause now everything's turning gray. Why do I do this to myself? I just get so gosh darn excited. There's her ear. I want to glue patches of fur on her. I got some fake fur from Hobby Lobby. Out of her skin. Although, And then I wanted to do some of the bottles of lab potions. Paint them on the other half of my chest. I shouldn't have painted my hand gray. I'm so not bright sometimes. That faux fur is getting everywhere. She's growing her furs. Yes. And then let's paint some of the lab to match this guy. Get some neon pink aqua paint, and I'm gonna start painting the lab. I could already hear her screams at Kronk to capture Kuzco. Just doing some swirly marks of, like, you know those lab sets that rich white kids had that I never got? You know, like creepy crawlers and like the covers of them. That's what we want. I always wanted a creepy crawler. I might just buy me a creepy crawler after this. But Toys R Us doesn't exist anymore. Alright, we need more purple here. And I'm going to get more of that pink around the blue. Try not to get too much of this llama hair in all of my paints because it's a hassle. And some pink bubbles. So I hope you guys enjoyed me turning into Yzma. If she got into the llama potion instead of Kuzco, what if she accidentally took a sip of it when Kronk was trying to poison Kuzco, but she took a little bit of the drink too? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more videos like this. I do 3 videos a week. And beauty makeups as well. All the products I use in this video will be listed down below in the description box as always. Hope you enjoyed. I had so much fun doing this. It took me around 3 hours. Now it's time to take it off. Ugh. These lashes though. Ow. Don't do that. Take it off with some makeup remover. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I've got fake blood on my makeup remover wipes. That's interesting. But first I'm going to go into the baby wipes to get all of this and show my eyebrows. Where's those eyebrows? There they are. Eyebrows, where are you? For more Twisted Disney stuff, leave me a comment down below on what you guys want to see. If I pick your idea look for a Twisted Disney look, I will definitely shout you out. I'm always looking for ideas. I'm even planning very much ahead for Halloween. You know, all of us makeup artists, we live for Halloween. Well, all of us creepy ghouls and gals. I definitely live, love, breathe for Jack-o'-lanterns Halloween. I'm just making a mess of everything I touch is turning gray. So guys, I'm gonna go take a shower. I'll see you soon, creators. Love y'all. Bye!